Hey folks, let's learn how to play Eternal Flame. Let's jump straight into it. So for our intro, we're starting on a G, and our strumming pattern is just a down, down, down. Most of the song's half a bar. So G and then G sus4 for half a bar, and we do that 2 times. G sus4, back to G, G sus4. And that's our intro there. For our first verse, we go to G half a bar, E minor 7 half a bar, C half a bar, D half a bar, back to G for half a bar, E minor 7, C half a bar, D half a bar. Now E minor for half a bar, B7 half a bar, E minor half a bar, A7 half a bar, to D half a bar, B minor 7 this time, then we have C for a full bar, to A minor 7 half a bar, and D7 half a bar. And that's our first verse. Let me play that through for you, starting on the G. Then after that we have our second verse, and that's all exactly the same. We play right up to the B minor 7. And then this time, instead of doing a C, we do an A minor 7 for a bar. Then go to the A minor 7 again, but we're going to add the high G in on the E string 3rd fret and do that for a bar. And that's the only change between the first verse and the second verse. And then from there we have our bridge, so let's have a look at that. So then for our bridge we have D half a bar, D minor 7 half a bar, G half a bar, D half a bar, to F half a bar, G half a bar. Now we're going to have C, but we're going to do the strumming pattern a little bit different. We're just going to do a down, down, up, C over B, down, down, up, A minor 7, down, down, up, and C over G, down, down, up, and then back to our normal strumming pattern, D, down, 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 up, B minor 7, F, a C, and D sus2 for 2 bars. And that's our bridge there. We play that for you, starting on the D. That's our bridge there. From there we go into our solo. Let's do the rhythm for it first, and we'll do the solo at the end, starting on the E minor, half a bar, B7 half a bar, E minor half a bar, A7 half a bar, D half a bar, B minor 7 half a bar, C for a bar, and A minor 7 for a bar. So let's do that up to speed, starting on the E minor. And then from there we just go back to the bridge, do that exactly the same, And then we do the second verse, do that 3 times to the end, and that's all the rhythm parts. Let's have a quick look at the solo. So we play it slowly for you. And up to speed. And that's a solo there, and that's all our parts. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.